Hello, Mana in Europe. How are you? Are you doing good? How's your day today? Oh my God. You don't have enough sleep, right? Thank you for coming. Even though you don't have enough sleep, we are my fire. You always got lucky because the time that you got your LS, then it's my break twice. Kailangan ba na magwakas itong pag-ibig? Yeah, you told me you're getting skinny because you're always tired, stay up late, and it makes you not good enough sleep. Then sometimes you lost your appetite to it. Then it's good for you if you think you're getting already chubby or you're getting weight. You're gaining weight. What should I say? I just buy some balut last weekend. Then I'm gonna try to eat it, but I don't think so. It's fresh. Their balut here because I smell or I taste like not that kind of fresh. Not like in the Philippines, the one that they're selling in the street and they come to house to house. That's a good balut. This is 24/7 LS 24/7 English challenge. I tried, even though I beat a wrong grammar or what. My accent's not good, but it's better to try and practice, right? To make it better, right? This is the moment. My final quest. I don't think so. You've been there for a long time, but you're in Europe. It's different dialect that they had. You just put a cotton to to stop the bleeding. keep bleeding in love. The meaning of the song, keep bleeding in love. It means you're always getting hurts when you fall in love. It causes abrasion, cause, not cause, cause. That's the one my basher said, I spell it Cost. Hello, madam, how are you? Are you doing good? You don't have a LS today? Oh, thank you for the thumbs up, Madam Ethology RG, NHE. Who's that? It's too close to being money already. Yeah, of course. They are almost there to get their trophy. But you and me, Madam in Europe, Manang in Europe, we're still, in the bottom. Feel sad. Oh my God, we're still struggling for a long time. But it's okay. That's life. We should be happy for them, right? Don't worry if maybe next time or next year we you and I you and I maybe got money also if we are not if Lolo doesn't add again another thousands of WH and we got penalized because we did not make it for 1 year for a year. What is that? Pag na-play nyo sila, play all nila kayo sa GC. Who's the one you're talking about, Madam Ethology RG? By the way, Madam Manang in Europe, the daughter of what do you call the one, the Bautista one, the one you are helping her. She got also a channel by like she's baking recipe. She just cooking. Have a cooking blog. Yeah, si Margie. Yeah, she's asking me because yesterday her daughter having a first LS but StreamYard. She wants to make it sure if that is goes through his her first LS StreamYard. Then I think didn't think so, but I cannot reply them because I got suspended in FB. I don't know why. Yeah, they're asking, if it connect their LS already for StreamYard. Then I saw it, and I think they make it right. But the things that I heard for them to them that she stopped already taking her course. That's sad to hear that she stopped already on her school already. I think she cannot concentrate for her nursing school. I don't know why. Youngster right now. You know what I mean. Millennials are they're easily get frustrated. I think they think it's easy the life without education right now. But that's not a good idea. But we don't know. That's their decision in life. You know what I mean? We don't have a right to judge them. Maybe she have a better future of doing something else. Maybe she's not happy what she's doing. Sige host, magdollar ka at magpiso language kami ni Manay RG. Because last time they told it to me that one of the my basher that I'm brainless. I don't know how to talk English, and I don't know how to spell good, and my grammar is so bad. It's too bad. I'll go now, host. Bye for now. See you around later. Shout out, Manang. I have to go. Oh, thank you, Manang Ethology RG, for visiting my place. And I know you are great friends, and you always support me. Thank you for all of that. Oh, shout out to all of us here, guys, and I love you all. Love you too, guys. Virginia Custodio, hi Brad, musta po? Shout out, buy-buyang kamking ka dito'y Hawaii, ita. Thank you, Madam Virginia Custodio. Thank you for coming. Then hopefully everything is okay there. Sige Manay, pupuntahin ko angel ko mamaya sa'yo. Hehehe. Yeah, that's the one that we create our group, right? To love one another, and help each other. And sometimes if you want to share your lipstick, I can borrow it. I can disguise myself to be Vice Ganda. I know to walk also wearing a high heel, because last time, no, long time ago, I tried the high heel of my wife. Then you know what she told it to me? You're better wearing high heel compared to me. You walk better. That's the one she said it to me. Oh, that's the name of my daughter, Daniela. You got it. That's my one and only daughter. Oh, I can see something that people are very emotional right now. They're saying "I love you," and it comes from their heart. It's like it's too early. The month of a month of heart. Yeah, agsasabay kayo nga LS. Nosebleed. No, we're trying our best, Madam Grace Reyes. It's 24/7 English challenge. But we try our best, you know what I mean? We're not perfect, but we should try so that, we can practice. In the April 27, how are you? Shout out, Sir Host, sabi niya. We have fresh from the farm here. Madam in the April 27. I think earlier I just, visit her house. I think she has a mansion already. Thank you sa patamsak, Madam in the April 27. Then I'm gonna make you as a moderator right now so that you can put it down your house and you can love each other here. I think you're in the LS of Manang in Europe earlier. Then we're teasing each other there. Hide those your eyes when I look at you forever. When my love, when I see you before. For the first time, I've been looking in your eyes. For the first time, I see you gone before. Kapag tumibok ang puso, wala ka nang magagawa kundi sundin ito. Sharam daram, shandaram. Dona Cruz. Nakaka-relate na naman si Madam in Europe yan. Magtatagalog na ako. Maka nosebleed kasi si kuan eh. Cancel na yung 24/7 na kuan. English challenge nila. Excuse me po. Asan na kaya ang susunod na kabanata dito sa Soko? Maisang ale namimitas ng grapes nang bigla na lang nawala. Hinanap nila ng 3 oras. Hindi nila natagpuan. Nandun pala sa damuhan. Nakatulog kasi napuyat sa kaka-LS. Alam nyo na kung sino yon. Wala na yata si Madam, si Manang in Europe ah. Makapasadot dumikit gamin, manula agsublay. Apang kagamin dyan ti ko ama kitam lang jay ko apang ka dyan ti YouTube YouTube studio tanong makitam di jay talagang jay han mo mat gamin makita jay agi bati ti bakas hindi mo naman makita kasi yung kwan mag-iwan ng bakas kasi wala ka namang kwan in-upload. Madam Grace Reyes, ano namang in-upload na video mo? Mas maganda kasi pag may video ka, i-upload mo na yung intro mo. Ginawa mo na ba? Si Inday April 27, taga saan po sila? Are you OFW? I think Inday is like from Bisaya. Yeah, Visayas region, right? Ayan po. Pwede pwede sa mobile, Ate Grace. Sinabi ko nga sa'yo, punta ka sa kuan, i-click mo yung video mo, punta ka sa gallery mo, tapos itap mo yung kuan mo, may choices doon. May choices doon. Kalikutin mo kasi yung kuan. Thank you, Lakay, Binaway. Vlog, kuan, patamsak mo, Lakay. Thank you. Kaya ganun na rin ang ginagawa ko, manang in Europe. Kapag sinabi nilang, pag nag-iwan sila ng bakas doon, tinitignan ko na kaagad. Tapos pag pumunta sila doon na sinasabi nilang done, tinitignan ko na kaagad sa kuan ko, YouTube studio ko. Bam tata kwa kantuman tawagan kantaw. Ta isuro ka. No may subli jay ifbek ana kami maka-reply tatay. Ta na suspend di ifbek. Tuno 9 pa lang. No tawagan ka di no kuan no awan ti computer mo di awan mo lang no isuro ka di no may ay i-shock to lang kanyamon dito anti cellphone ka. Apay manang in Europe suruan nyo mamot ni kwa ni kabsat tayo nga kwa si kayo nga kwa binabayan dita. Tulungan nyo mamot ni manang Grace Reyes. Nga kwa may upload na di jay kwa na video na mo. Jay intro na kan di pinagsalsala na ti Marimar kan Maria del Barrio. Digi 12 corazones nga ko na. Surwam nga ko ni Manang Grace nga ag-upload ti video na dinamaw. Video na ti ko YT. Namin ano nang ipang pangag dituyaw, hindi yung mga kuha mo gamain. Hindi mo dengdenggan. Tulungan nyo mat Tano adamot ti pang dikit pang kuha na pang dikit na. No, adamo gamin ti dinikitan na kat di na makitan ata wa mo ti pagbakasan da nga makita na nga kuha. Tanyo mo ti tultulog na amamin nga kuha tayo kat aw mo ti isunat ang mga kuha isunat ti active ti white ticket ko. Wan Virginia Custodio, shout out ko na ni Manong Binaway. Wan taga Hawaii mo dada mo lang Virginia Custodio lakay Binaway. Wan tulungan man manang in Europe tama di nga makakunik pa ti FBay. Nasapay ngal daw. Wan sige 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 manang Grace Reyes, thank you. Nangaba man ti Lakers son. Wan kasano mga maisin nga pa mun sa mga friend isunat ti kwa FBay. Na bagbagana manong Ben ko di na pa amuti ko ag-upload ti TYT. Tada ka no intro nga inaramid nakit ako. Dahil so kumamuto sa rin nga pang na pangdikit na. Awan na rin ka no jaw aware na pimana wasay manang in Europe. Agpaad kan manang in Europe data mo latinagan na di ko dyan ti Facebook account na. Isun sa tamok.